Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the residential section on New Kingston. Now we're going to give you a tour of the apartments that are being built on this side on New Kingston. We are on Musgrave or Braemar Avenue and we're going over to Musgrave. Now where the video started is a residential building. Not sure the name of it. If anybody knows the name of that building, it's right beside the Via at the Braemar. So this is Braemar Avenue now. Now, New Kingston is the business hub of Jamaica. It's like the Wall Street of Jamaica. The real estate prices here are very expensive. This is where you find most of the commercial buildings. So on this side of the New Kingston now, you have the residential homes, a lot of apartment buildings. Now straight ahead is the Cambridge, 2 towers, 10 floors each. And then over here you have the Hampshire. And if you notice the color scheme is the same, it's because both were built by Guardian Life or Guardian. The Hampshire was built first and all the units were sold out in 3 days. It's a much smaller development. So they decided to build the Cambridge, much bigger. And I think the Cambridge is the largest apartment building or complex in Jamaica. So you're going to find a lot of apartment buildings or complexes on this side of New Kingston. Some are finished and quite a few are under construction. So straight ahead on the right now is another residential one. This is about 4 floors. It's close to being completed. And then straight ahead where you see that blue fence, that's another development that's going to get started. And you'll be surprised, some of these developments are sold out before they're even finished. Now this building on the left is the one I was asking if anybody knows the name of it. It's a massive development. It's actually 2 buildings on the property. Now over here is the Via. Yeah, this is the one under construction, and then beside it is the Via at the Braemar. This one is 10 floors and it was built by Proven and it's sold out. And the development did so well that Proven built a Vista in Mandeville, and then the SOL Harbor in Ocherius is under construction. And a lot of these investment companies like Guardian, Proven, they've gone into real estate. I'm not sure if the Cambridge is sold out. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the section below. There were actually a few complaints about this building. This is another look at the Hampshire. Hampshire, I think, is 66 units. It's not as big as the Cambridge. The Cambridge is over 100 units. Cambridge is much bigger. That's why I'm not sure if it's sold out. And we're going to give you a view of these developments from this side now. So there is the Via at the Braemar. The Argyle is this building on the right that we're passing. and then that one is under construction on the right. You have to admire the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Almost, I mean, I've never seen this level of construction before. And it's not, I mean, the buildings are average 10 floors. You have the Avista, that's, it's not the Avista, the Ascent, that's going to be 27 floors. You have the Rogers, 20 floors. Straight ahead, that's the Cambridge. Alright, so we're going to drive out of here now and show you this one that's under construction. It actually looks like it's finished. Let's see. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. So we are on Lady Musgrave Road now.